Rolo. Hey, buddy. Did you find an antler? Huh? You looking for antlers? Yeah. Out today's March 25th, and out in western Washington looking for some bone, and things are really drying up out here. I've been out several times and haven't found anything. Things are getting harder to see. So today might be my last antler hunt for the season. But just ran across this nice one. It's looks like a nice Forky. And it's this year's, obviously, because there's nothing on top of it. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah. Yeah, nice little Forky. It's got a nice G1 there. And it's the left side. Here. Smell that. Go find the other side for me. But yeah, things are really getting scarce out here. So today might be the last day that I go out. I'm gonna start practicing with my bow, get my rifle on the range, start doing some coyote hunting. I ran into 2 coyotes earlier, and one looked real healthy. And then about a half hour ago I ran into a porcupine, which he's probably eating all my antlers, so I'm not finding any. Anyways, the last video I made a comment about the windstorms in western Washington that we've been having, and I wanted to touch on the benefit to the deer population. And it sounds kind of corny, but it makes sense. Depending on the time of year, it could mean life or death for deer. When the wind kicks up, stuff like this comes down to the ground, and deer can eat this stuff to survive when food is scarce. And after a windstorm, you can walk around and you'll just see this stuff everywhere. Old man's beard, they eat this, but it's up in the trees, so they can't get to it. So that's the benefit of windstorms, like I said, depending on the time of year. And yeah, you can walk around right now and it's just, this stuff is everywhere. You know, and it's little stuff like this that can, you know, between life and death for deer, depending on the year, depending on their location. But right now it's spring, so this kind of stuff is everywhere, and they're eating good. So this last windstorm was, you know, might have been too late in the season for that to matter. But anyways, thought I'd throw that in there. And one more time, look at that guy. Pretty cool.